Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we will walk you through the payment procedure of unemployment insurance, the registration, and how you are going to claim. And after claim, what is the procedure? Within how many days you will get the claim? So let's start. First of all, you just open the website. So here you will get individual, private sector, federal government, non-registered, and more. So private sector, first of all, you can click here. You can check the investor, domestic helper, temporary contract worker, and those who are under 18, and UAE locals who fulfill the condition for referral to retirement. So here these people are not mandated to register in unemployment insurance here. So we can there are three steps. First of all, we can put the emirate ID detail. Here is the mobile number. Here is the date of birth. So after that, we will get the OTP and we can open this. So you can check, we have already opened the unemployment insurance portal. So here is the home page. In home page you can get the details like your policy. You can check the policy, how much you are eligible to pay. So here you can check I have already paid for first year and second year. It's expired, then after expired I renewed the policy, and it's going to expire on 2nd of Jan 2025. So how you are going to pay? So this is the statement. You can check the statement. For payment, you can check, there will be a pop-up here that your policy is going to expire or whatever. You have to pay here. You'll receive the pop-up here like view the statement. Instead of view the statement, you'll receive the pop-up like pay here. So one of the most critical aspects of navigating the unemployment benefit system is understanding the timeline of events that unfold after registration. So once you have completed the registration, the understanding of the timeline is most important. So how you are going to claim and what is the timeline? So this is the claim submission. So go to the claim and claim submission. So here we can go proceed with the claim. So these are the most important points you have to check before applying the unemployment insurance. Like you have to pay 12 consecutive months at least, then months without cancellation. And let an example, you have joined the organization, you have cancelled your visa within 1 year or 11 months, within 11 months. So you are not going to like eligible. So first and second one is the reason. If you are a resigned employee, you are not eligible for this. So and you're supposed to be third one, you're supposed to be a legally resident of UAE, and within 30 days, if the date of termination is first, then you have to submit the termination detail by 30. And you are not reported as an upstanding worker and you pay the ILO due. Then previously we have already checked that ILO amount, the insurance amount you have to pay. After during the submission, you have what document you need: your cancellation copy. After termination, your cancellation copy, your termination letter supposed to be ready so that you can upload while you are proceeding your claim process. Many individuals find themselves confused about the process after submitting the unemployment insurance claim, leading to delay and misunderstandings. Without a clear understanding of the process, you may accidentally delay your claim or miss crucial deadlines. Here you can check your eligibility, like how much amount, if your basic salary, it's dependent, there are two categories. So one is your basic salary is supposed to less than 16,000 and one is more than 16,000. I am under less than 16,000, so I am category A. Those who are category B, more than 16,000 basic salary. So here you can pay all reimbursement, here you can pay as well. So the process will take 2 weeks. After submitting your claim, the process will take 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks, you will receive the emails or the calls from the insurance department about the procedure, and they will mention if your claim is approved or if they need any document, if the claim is rejected. So they will update you. So you will receive, you can update your bank account details. So you directly receive the emails from them and calls from the insurance team when it's needed. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question or experience with unemployment insurance claims, please leave them in the comment below.